Okay, today we're visiting Republic Rwandais. Okay, and here they have some of the Olympic stamps. They have animal stamps, they have flower stamps, and they even have Olympic stamps and space stamps. So there's quite a collection here. So let's get right to it and show them to you. Here we have a 1F. Okay, playing basketball. This is 70. Here's a 20-cent one. Again, I guess it's soccer. More like a soccer. Okay. Then we have a 30 here. Some more playing of Mexico 70, it says, on these 4 stamps. And there's a 50. So we got 4 of them right there that all say Mexico 70. Just playing sports. Okay, then we get into some of the animals and stuff. There's a gorilla at 40. Gorilla at 80. Another couple little gorillas at 20. Another gorilla at 60. And we have a zebra. Kind of special right there, huh? Okay, then we get into these fancy ones here. There's an 80. 80C. Almost looks like a painting picture. Okay, here's a couple of horses here. A 40. Beautiful picture. Then we get into a 20. Riding. Horses look a little long there, huh? Really stretch right out. Okay. There he is, a 60. Beautiful one. Then we get into a few of the flowers. So we have a 60 here. An 80. A 40. And a 20. So we have 4 stamps here of the flowers. Then we got just different ones here. Now these are all from 1969 to 1972. See, these are some good old ones here. Here's a 10. Cattle grazing. Look at this one. This one's really unique, isn't it? For 20. There's a 10. And we have a few of these really nice ones. 1945 to 1970. It's Roosevelt. (1945 to 1970). Again, Roosevelt. (1945 to 1970). Again, Roosevelt. So here we have 3 Roosevelt ones. All in different forms. Okay, then we got into some Olympics. 72 Olympics. 20 cents. 30 cents. and a 50 cents. Alright, so there you have 3 different sports. Okay, now these are all Expo 70 ones. 30 cents. Instead of Japan, it's Japan. Expo 70, 30 cents. Expo 70, 50 cents. Expo 70, 20 cents. Beautiful peacock. Expo 70, 1F. And of course the space one. Alright, so these have all been very interesting. I hope you've enjoyed my bringing you this beautiful collection. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more as we travel around the world through old and rare postage stamps. Bye-bye now.